Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee male reproductive system injury claims. I'll be taking a look at can you claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your reproductive system. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Injuries to the male reproductive system often occur as a result of medical negligence, as well as being the result of a serious accident. If you're suffering problems with your reproductive system after being involved in an incident where, due to the negligence of another, you have suffered problems with your reproductive system, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a male reproductive system injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a reproductive system injury, we recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitor that has experience in dealing with male reproductive system injury claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to discuss your claim further, including subjects like testicular torsion compensation, the loss of a testicle compensation, as well as discussing medical negligence infertility, and use our no-win, no-fee calculator to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone, and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work and any other expenses that you've incurred because of the accident which has caused your reproductive system injuries. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your male reproductive system injury with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at injury claim amounts for a male reproductive system injury in our compensation claim amount table. So in front of us we have the table for male reproductive system compensation claim amounts. And in the top category, you could expect to receive something in excess of £122,640. Then in the second category, it would be £16,000 to £18,000. Then in the third category, you'd expect to receive something in the region of £118,240. Then in the fourth category, you could expect to receive anything between £34,280 right the way up to £62,490. Then in the fifth category, you could expect to receive something around £112,100. Then in the sixth category, you could expect to receive something around £14,960. Then in the seventh category, £44,710 right the way up to £56,870. Then in the eighth category, you could expect to receive anything between £18,880 right the way up to £24,950. Then finally, the ninth category, you could expect to receive something in the region of £5,280. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience.
It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.